Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olaf for Mobile WizTech. Today I'm going to talk about this brand new True HD and Stereo wireless headphones by Treblab, which are called the BT5. Stay tuned as this will be an unboxing and review, and I also have a limited time promo discount available. So stay tuned. Now before I get started, I do want to give a big thanks to Treblab for sponsoring this video. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can stay up to date when new content is posted on my channel. So again, these are the Treblab BT5 True Wireless HD headphones. As you can see there, it has high definition speakers, up to 24 hours of playtime, built-in microphone for calls, IPX4 splash proof, so you shouldn't have a problem with working out in the gym with these on, and has a 1-year warranty. Not much on the back. And without further ado, let's go ahead and see how this looks inside. So here they are, and nice presentation. Some branding here. Looks like the manual is here. I'm sure the setup is pretty straightforward, but there's some documentation just in case you need it. It also has a 3.5 head jack for you as well, so you can use the cord and connect to your phone. But for phones that don't have the 3.5 head jack, you can watch this video here and take a look and use that adapter, and so that way you can use this if you want to, if you don't want to use Bluetooth. So you have that option, so you're not thrown into the wild there. All right. Okay. Here are the headphones here. They're nice and light. Take a look at that. Nice premium material. Soft there. So I do want to compare how these look to the Z2. So just so you can get like a size reference, you can see it's a bit smaller. You can see the size there. But I am happy to test these out and see how they sound as well. But it looks like it'll be pretty comfortable. Let's see what else comes in here. You have more than likely the charge cable, and then so here's that, your aux cable, and then your charge cable, and you can see that's micro USB. So again, these are the BT5. What I want to do real quick is do a sound test. Let's take a quick look at the BT5. So here is your charge port for your micro USB, your 3.5 headphone jack, and then there's your microphone. And here are your buttons. And there's nothing on the right side. So to pair this is really simple. All you have to do is press the power button for about 2 seconds. While you're wearing them, you'll hear a voice prompt telling you that it's powered on. And then you go to your phone and then add it or sync it just like you would any other Bluetooth device. You will look for the Treblab BT5. So really easy there. Now, if you want to, let's say, pause a track, you'll just press the power button. And then I say you want to play it again, you just press the power button again. Now, if you want to increase the volume, you would just tap the plus button. And if you want to reduce the volume, just tap the minus button. If you want to skip a track, you would press and hold the plus button for about 2 seconds. And if you want to go back a track, you press and hold the minus button for about 2 seconds. And let's say you wanted to answer a call, press the power button. And if you want to hang up, you would just press the power button again. If you're on a call and you want to reject the call, you will press the power button. And lastly, if you want to activate your voice assistant that's on your phone, you will go ahead and just double press the power button to activate your voice assistant. Now, I just got finished listening to some tracks on this. They sound really, really, really good. Very comfortable. They sound very good. I even had a phone call during it, while wearing these. And I asked the other person, can they hear me clearly? And they said they can hear me clear as day. So these are a true winner. And also it has it has passive noise cancellation. So that's also built into this. So you have a microphone, you have true HD stereo, you have a passive active noise cancellation built in, 24 hours of battery life, IPX4. I mean, this is fully loaded for a very, very good price. Very good price. I believe right now on Amazon it's going for $29. And then again, I have a promo discount code that you can apply for this so we can get even less, or you can get more money off of that $29. So it's definitely a good deal, a bargain deal, and you get premium quality. I will have the link posted for this in the description. So go ahead and take a look. Again, these are the Treblab BT5, and a definite winner in my book. As always, I do thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and also share and comment. And until next time, keep it mobile.